Don't know the badness where you see dog bring the charger. 3.6. That is it. Alright, so like I say, I'm off thermostat problem. Looking at, so you see one of them Home Depot bucket. Bucket them. Huh? Yeah, I feel coolant.
What?
Me ask if I feel coolant. You talk about see if me have cool. I want to tell man, yeah.
Home Depot, this is big brother. You can't go underneath the car.
You can't go underneath there.
I'm gonna chuck me up, you know.
Oh, you see that come out the way you say? Rascal, get. Who's this? Who's this? Push this underneath. Push this underneath there. I catch as much as I can catch. Still right in the hot, you know. Oh, I have to buy a bottle of coolant now. You have to just wash off all of this shit. Wash it off of your belt, you know. Don't know where I change out the thermostat. The act up, you know. Just write this one. Yeah, can run, go up there real quick. Yeah, make them stay right there. Go. Where is it? Where is it? It's in a no my neighborhood. Boy, I think. You turn on the water? Drain out that there. Coolant there. Which one? Where? You lock it down?
Remember this got 200 in them and I want the breeze to blow too hard.
Yeah, don't, yeah, make it sound.
So you see that a run?
Come on. Record. Oh, them, you know. Alright.
Ticker. Let's see.
This one more thicker, you know. Clean this apart, yeah. Yeah, put it back on. Flush in, you see me? No gaps, no leaking. No leakage. Feel like if I put back this one, because this one just look more thick.
Got it flushing better than the one there too.
Oh, there was one that's the gap, you know. It'll work, you know.
Well, just work with the one that will come with it here, man.
Blood clot spring on now, man. Oh, sick. Oh, what it?
Oh, buck, kill it up. Broke.
Oh, so this a blood clot crystallized. See? These are crystallized now. Oh.
You can't go outside. You pull up glass to see the book one of them. How are this new? This is the what?
Thermostat housing.
Oh, this is the housing.
Yeah, you can just pull it off of the hose. The thing is, you're better off. You're better off. Yeah, man, so just add it and then we just swap it out, you know. Alright, here, turn them on. Where the coolant?
Remember, I'm a black pack.
Oh, yeah, bring back this on.
Yeah, me.
Curious, you know.
You all do the same thing too.
Wait, turn it on. Make sure it's not leak, you know. Oh, it's a come check it out for yourself. Come check it out for yourself.
Remove the something from underneath it. See how water drip.
No, I can't see it right there, so.
Day night?
What? Cooler? A little bit of cooler. What, in this? Oh, leave a cooler in there, man. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
See it a leak? Nah, leak. This is. Yeah, it works still. Need to get the next one. Just like that. So here there. Where's lots of changes? Ah, yeah, grass is it? Yeah, brother. You do know that if you not change this, it can make it the power of your car, it make you lose power. Hold on. Hold on. Get one of the Jill.
Next thing I go on, may change out in the rascal. You call it?
Hold on.
BBD.
Oh, the
What do you call it?
actuator.
Actuator, yeah.
Yeah, this a huge blood clot. Huh? Okay, brother. Yeah, I need that. It's due. Very much due to this top the power of your car, you know. Your car drives slow. If you change out the rascal.
I want to change out that time. I want to change out the one of the cap.
Try grab that. The long left, right. I think it's the right in front.
Front of the.
gone down in there. And that blood clot hang on. Anything, brother. Scrape on it.